No matter where you may fish, boat position plays a key role in determining a day's success. For those anglers targeting species that roam shallow water flats and structure, shallow water pole-style anchors are a cost-effective solution for holding their boat on the sweet spot. For years, targeting shallow structure meant wrestling with a heavy anchor or making constant adjustments with an electric trolling motor. Both of these options disturb the water column and the bottom below, in turn spooking wary fish from the vicinity. The Panther Kingpin solves the shallow water puzzle by simply positioning the boat and quietly sliding the pole into the bottom. The angler can maintain the perfect casting, pitching, or flipping position. Designed for use on either the transom or the bow, the Panther Kingpin provides a cost-effective solution for those anglers who already employ a power-operated system on the transom. With the addition of a bow-mounted kingpin, the angler can avoid wind-induced spins by having a second pole holding the spot. The Panther Kingpin system comes in a variety of configurations built to fit your needs. The anchor pole is available in white or black in lengths of 8, 10, or 12 feet. The anchor bracket, which attaches to the boat, comes in a bow mount version with a 3 or 6 inch rise, and the transom mount is available in 5 and 10 inch lengths. Both brackets are standard with powder coat black or clear anodized finishes. While shallow water pole anchors are not a new concept, the Panther Kingpin has developed cutting-edge features to make it the leader in manual pole anchor systems. The two-piece poles are available in 8, 10, and 12-foot versions, which all feature a two-piece stainless butt connector with machine threads that screw together like a pool cue, and a stainless steel tip to avoid pole wear. This two-piece design makes it easy for storage in any standard rod locker. The proprietary pole lock system easily secures the pole in place for quick moves to the next spot with no loose parts to fall overboard. The Panther Kingpin also offers a quick release technology which allows the angler to easily remove the bow mount bracket so that the factory travel cover you already own will not need to be altered in any way. With a simple pull and twist of the plunger pin, the bow mount bracket can be removed and stowed. With construction and features that are second to none, the Panther Kingpin is an innovative industry leader in the manual shallow water anchor market.